Hey guys, hope you're having a great day. Tim back with Revolved Realty, and guess what? It is time for another market update. Yes, another month has passed in North Alabama real estate, and the market just keeps going and going and going. So what I want to do is log into our InfoSpark here in the MLS and just let you see what has been going on over the last month or so. So I'm going to got it pulled up here. You can see we're looking at the Huntsville Metro, Madison Metro, Limestone County, which is Athens, and then Madison County as a whole. The Madison County does encompass Madison and Huntsville, but also a lot of rural areas. So a couple of things we're going to look at. We're going to start off by looking at the average or the median sale price in the market in the last month. I'll tell you what, the first thing we should look at, homes for sale. Let's go there. Whoa, you see that right there? September was a high point, and there were 203 homes for sale in Huntsville, 60 in Madison, and then you can see what was in the county. Well, over the last few months, guess what? Number of homes for sale has dropped. We were at 103 homes in February. That was the end of last month. 32 in Madison. You can see the percentage. Now, this is going from February of last year to end of February here. You can see 25, down 25, almost 26% in available homes for sale in the market. Here's the big one. Everybody wants to live in Madison because of Madison schools. Number of homes for sale in Madison in the last year down 50%. And when homes in Madison come on the market, they go quickly and they go above asking price. You can see even in the county, it's down almost 29, 30% there as well. So a lot fewer homes for sale here in North Alabama. But now let's look at sales price. We have fewer homes for sale, but guess what's happening sales price? All right, we've had a peak now. We've had some leveling out. This is in the city of Madison, and the only reason we've had that leveling out is because there are fewer homes for sale in the city. You can see over the last year, it's about 18.2% in price increase. That's in 1 year. If we go back here to February of last year, the average or the median home price in Madison was $286. Today it is $338. So if you bought a home 1 year ago in the city of Madison, you would have almost 20% upside. Same is true for Huntsville. Look at this, 13% increase in a year. Limestone County, 15%. Madison County, 18%. Guys, that is a huge jump. Anytime you have that kind of appreciation in a real estate market, it just tells you the market's going crazy. So there were fewer houses for sale going at a much higher price. Now that's the median income or the median sale price, which is really just the middle of the pack. So average is where we take all of the houses for sale and we add them up and then we divide by the number and we get an average. So let's look at the average sale price. Still, same story. The average sale price, City of Madison, $368. City of Huntsville, $318. That's just incredible. Even Limestone County, $320. Limestone County is primarily Athens, but it also encompasses some other areas, Tanner, Elkmont, places like that. So you can see in the last year, the number of new listings up almost 30% in Huntsville, down in the city of Madison. There's just not that many homes for sale in the city of Madison. Limestone County had a dip as well, but Madison County, again, you can look at those numbers, 12.4%, but Huntsville's the big one, up 30% in new listings. And, you know, I think that's fantastic. There are more homes for sale in Huntsville now, but a good number of them are older homes because, you know, there's not a whole lot of new construction going on in Madison City, or in Huntsville City even. So there's more than there is in Madison, I'll give you that. But I think what's happening is people, South Huntsville, people are realizing that now's the time to sell. And so that's why we're seeing a lot more new listings coming on the market. Let's look at the number of homes for sale. Now, it doesn't surprise me at all that these numbers are down. In the last year, there are 25% fewer homes for sale in Huntsville, 50% fewer in the city of Madison. Again, Limestone, Madison County down 29%. Even, from a month ago, you can see that line going down. The inventory is doing this, prices are doing that. So we're going to look at the number of pending home sales. And let me point out, these are single-family homes, all sizes, all number of bedrooms, but it's previously owned. These are existing home sales. We'll look at new construction in just a second. Let's look at homes pending. Again, in Madison County, we have more homes pending for sale. Got more in Huntsville, 33%. Madison, still a little bump, but, not much. There's just not a lot of inventory for sale in the city of Madison. But let's look at how many sales were closed in February. All right, over the last month, you can see 15% fewer than last year in Huntsville, 5.5% fewer. Again, Limestone County is coming on strong. And again, one of the reasons is the market, people who would normally buy, I think, in Huntsville and Madison Metro are now moving into Limestone County. They're moving into Athens. I think the Athens is the new hotbed of activity because Madison's full. So, days on market. This is always interesting to me. Take a look at this. The average days on market in Huntsville, 4 days. Madison, 3 days. Limestone County, 4 days. Madison County, 3. That simply tells us when a home comes on the market, it doesn't last long. I've kind of noticed a trend, and I'm doing this too. Realtors will bring a house to market on Thursday. You will get a ton of showings on Friday and Saturday. They collect offers and make a decision on Sunday. So days on market is just going really quickly. And let's check out the percentage of list price. All right, look at that. Everything is going above list price, 100%, 100.1, 100.6. When we say homes in Madison are going at 101.6%, that means they are going that much above ask. They're going at least 1.6% above ask. If it's not unusual for a $300,000 home to sell in this market for $325 or $330. Not unusual at all. Let's look at median price per square foot. This again is reflected in the low inventory and the high prices. In the last year, the price per square foot median has gone up 25%, 27% in Madison, 28% in the county, 25%. And again, if we look at this on a monthly basis, look in end of January, median price per square foot in Huntsville, 143, 151 in Madison, 161 a month later. Price per square foot, $10 in a single month. So that's just crazy. Crazy. Dollar volume, again, there were fewer homes to sell. They're going for higher prices, but it's simply math. There were fewer homes to sell in this market. All right, so now let's look at new construction. And we will go back here to sales price. And not surprising, new construction, the average home price new construction in Huntsville was $451. Madison, $397. Look in the county, $354 in Limestone, $391 in Madison County. Again, we have a lot of construction going on out in the county, and that's just where all the activity is. That's where all the cotton fields are. That's where everybody is wanting to build because that's the only available land. They're not building any more land. They're not making any more land. All right, let's look at number of listings. And I find this interesting, the number of new construction listings actually going down. And this may be reflective of builders finishing out phases, closing out inventory. I think you're going to see this number go up over the next month or so. It has to, because I know there's a ton of new construction going up. But even if you look a year from now or go back a year, the number of new listings in Huntsville, and again, this is new construction, it's down almost 50%. Up 81% in the county, in Limestone. Again, Limestone County, there are subdivisions going up all over the place. There's just so many cotton fields. So you guys are going to have to buy your cotton from Egypt if this keeps up. All right, so let's look at the number of new construction home for sales. Again, we went down. been going down, trending downward since November. And again, I think a lot of that has to do with builders finishing. That builders are about to kick back up. I talk to builders all the time. Talking to one the other day, they had a new subdivision going in. I think they were putting in 80 lots, and they expected them to sell literally within a week or two, and it'll happen. All right, let's look at pending sales for new construction. Again, down a little bit, not surprised. Closed sales up. All right, so there are fewer homes being built, but they're finishing, and this goes to back up the theory that, you know, the builders are finishing out neighborhoods, they're closing out things, and then we're going to start seeing those housing starts go back up. Days on the market for new construction, there's no data to display. I'm not sure what's up with that. So, all right. And percentage of homes going at asking price. The reason you're seeing 100% here instead of a 101, 102, builders set the price. It is what it is. You pay for it or not. You don't have to make crazy offers to buy new construction. And that's one of the reasons that here at Revolved, we are pushing a lot of our clients toward new construction. And I did a video a couple of weeks ago on the pros and cons of new construction. And one of the pros is there's a lot of it, and there's not a bidding war. You're not going to go bid against a bunch of people and go way over ask for new construction, which I think is a big benefit. So, all right, so let's look at one more thing, price per square foot. And again, been rising steadily over the last year. Dipped a little bit here, but now we're all coming back up. You can see we're all about the same, 152, 154, 155, and 157. All right, so there you go, guys. That is the activity on the market here in North Alabama over the last month. You can see the last year where it's heading. And again, it's not going to change. You know, the number of homes, I think the new construction is going to raise the number of available homes. You know, I don't think you're going to see a lot of those numbers change in the city of Madison for existing homes because, you know, there simply aren't that many homes for sale in the city of Madison. And so I don't think that's going to change at all. But anyway, the trend continues. I hope you found that interesting and not terribly boring and confusing like I do most of the time. But anyway, it's interesting to look at this market. The numbers simply reflect that, yes, we are at a low in inventory, not a lot of existing homes, but there are a lot of construction starts that are coming our way. So it's going to be interesting to track this market. And we're going to do this every month for you around the first of the month as soon as the numbers come out. So, hey, guys, if you like what we do here on the channel, do me a big favor and click the subscribe button, click the like and the little bell notification icon. And that way you never miss a video. And God forbid you miss this because this is an entertainment value, right? It's free. And also, hey, don't forget, we've got Revolved Realty here. We've got almost 80 agents now on the ground, ready to go to work for you. We work with a lot of folks who are relocating here, either for work, for school, for retirement. And we would be more than happy to be your troops on the ground, and we will find you the home of your dreams, no matter what it takes. We're gonna try. Okay. Hey, get out there and make it a great day. I'll talk to you soon.